If the mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude, which of the following is an incorrect statement? In order to answer this, we will go from each statement one by one. Time period of the simple pendulum on the earth would decrease. This statement is correct, as we know that force is represented by F is equal to gm, and we have increased the value of capital G, which is the universal gravitational constant, by 10 times. Therefore, and we have changed the mass of the sun by 10 times. We have divided the mass of sun by 10. Therefore, the total overall force remains the constant. But as we know that small g is directly proportional to capital G, where small g is gravitational acceleration of Earth and capital G is the universal gravitational constant. As we know that the value of capital G is multiplied by 10, therefore the value of small g will also be increased by 10. Therefore the time period of the simple pendulum would decrease, the gravitational attraction of the earth would increase, which in turns make our walking difficult. This is also correct. Raindrop will fall faster due to the change in the gravitational acceleration of earth. Therefore the wrong statement is answer 4th. So our answer to this slide is answer 4th, that the small g will not change. It is an incorrect statement.